Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at Video Express. It's like a one-time, lifetime deal. You pay once and you use it forever. So there is no watermark, no monthly fees, and you also get like a 30-day money back guarantee. Let's look at all these features. This is like a video generator, and as anything related to video is expensive, and I am not sure how these guys are giving it on a lifetime deal. And these are some of the videos that we are able to create using this software, and let's look at some of the features as well before I buy this and test it for you guys so that we will know whether this is a good product or not. You can type in like a text prompt and generate a video. That's one feature. You can give like a static image, then can animate it. You can upload like photos and make them talk or sing. Have the ability to create consistent characters with this as well. That feature is also available. Video in painting is also there. So if you like to remove something from your video, then you can do that using the software as well. And there is like multi-direction motion brush, means you can animate the other parts of the video as you are seeing on the screen like that. You can give the action and point the arrows where you want the motion to begin and end. And a object removal, so if you want to remove a person from your video, you can do that using this. You can effortlessly increase the length of videos by giving it some animation. And there is also live subtitles and captioning options, so it can transcribe the video, resize it, and you can also remove background. You can create videos in all different resolutions, 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:5. All these aspect ratios are supported. You can just give an AI prompt and create like sound effects based on that. You can swap your face. You can give like text and convert that into speech. You can export your video into 1080 quality. So those are all the features that's available. Let's quickly buy this and see if it's any good. And you also are covered with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you want to get along, I'll have the link in the description. Also, there are like two plans here, $49 plan and $179 plan. So yeah, you get extra like what's described here in this crown. So talking and singing photos, AA prompt to sound, AA video motion brush, AA video object removal, AA video length increaser, AA face swapper, AA background editor, fast rendering server. So that's good to have fast rendering server. Normally when it's a lifetime deal, it is lower. So if they are providing like the fast server, then that's good. Subtitles and captioning. So all these extra features are only available with the all access plan. So let's click on this and let me just give my basic details. Thank you for your purchase, and you will get this message. So you need to click on this email, this link. Okay. So that's how you log in. So this is how the interface looks like. You have different options: chat with AI, your all the media library, and you can also import media using this, your screen recorder or text to speech webcam recorder, different text animations, overlays that you can use for your image, for your video, and also different camera angles. You can resize, add titles, zoom in and fade in audio, fade out audio, and you have the option to add automatic captions, which is on another app. I got the login for these as well, but that really sucks because we need to go to a separate website for adding captions, which is really not helpful. Then we can also add a different transition between different clips. So it's like an automation that will add a transition through. You can choose from different styles as well. You can select a track number. This is the first track and this is second track. So you can add tracks like that, and you can just tick this and it will be added automatically. And you also have some audio cutter, so you can put audio, and also supported is like only 30 seconds, which is not much. So that's the overall features that's available here. Now let's look at the main feature, like create from prompt. So yeah, create with AI. If you want to start create any video, you need to come here, create with AI. This is where you start creating videos from scratch, and just click on like create from prompt, and you can give like a positive and a negative prompt. A negative prompt help you clean up the actual image. How the process work is like, in order to create a video, you need to create frames, then you need to animate it. That's how it works. So you have humans, 2D type, 3D type, photorealistic and others. So let's do a human one. So let me go to ChatGPT for this. And each video is around 2 seconds. Right. So you can also select vertical or landscape. So I'll select human. I can select, for example, cinematic. Then I can ask ChatGPT to provide me with a story. I am working with a video creator which can generate like 2 seconds video from a frame of image. So I want you to come up with a story that's about 10 seconds and need like a consistent character, like a human character. I want you to describe that image so that we can convert that into video. So that's my prompt. So the story is forget something important. Can you give me some negative prompts for the image generator for this? So let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Let's get the first image. And let's select human and cinematic. Then now let's click on generate image. Now it's generating the image. So as you can see, this is the image. We can also reuse the same character if you want. And there is like a video length poster. Video has forward facing person. Since he's facing forward, we can tick that, and we can also select the same character, so it will try to use the same character. And if you want to swap it with some other face, maybe if you want to swap it with your face, you can do that by clicking on this and uploading your face from this folder. So we are not going to do that right now. So let's just see how the video looks like if I just create this. So let's just create the video. So you get the idea, right? You repeat this for all the next scenes. That's how you create the video. So your video will appear in your media library under the My Media tab when it's ready. So that's something that I don't like. It should most probably come here in the timeline, because we may not know, right, when that will be finished. I need to go to media library. Okay. So a media library, it should be here, right? So you get a message like your generation of AI video has been successfully completed. So it took around 50 seconds, 60 seconds for that to generate. So let's just track this and see. Oh, come on. I don't even want to continue from here. So yeah, this really sucks, man. This really sucks. I don't know who will use this. This is 2025, right? Once you have this, you can continue creating your timeline like this. I don't want to go any further with this because, okay. So let's just select image to video, right? Let's give an image. See if that's any good. I don't have. Let me just upload some image. So before that, I will have to add that image. Let me add the image first here. I can try to animate her. Let me upload her image. Let's see if this is any good. So I have added that. Now let's just select that image. It's here, so I'm selecting choose. The motion speed can be medium. Since it's a human, I am selecting human. Let's just generate this. Hopefully this will be good. Who knows? I think they are like using stable diffusion, the older version, but I don't think they are updating it because we have a lot of new AI models now which can create like really high quality videos. Even there are open source models out there that can create really good videos. So if they want, they can do that cost effectively. But for example, let me show you another app that I want to try an alternative. This is called Magi, this is not a lifetime deal, but let me show you how good this can be. This is $20 per month. So if I go to their image section, and when you pay for $20, you get a lot of image generator and video generator, all the AI models, everything is in one place here. So this is what I use on my day-to-day basis. What I use, for example, to create like my YouTube thumbnails, etc. See what all models they have. The best model that I use all the time is called Runway. So if I just upload that image, let's say, let me just show you like the same image that we uploaded there on Video Express. We can use the same image here and just ask it to animate it, right? Let's see how well this performs. We have our image here. I am just selecting like a runway and add the image from the library. So I'm selecting this. So animate it. You can make her do whatever actions you want, but for this example I just want to show you like how we can animate this. This will take about 30 or 40 seconds. So AI animation should look like in 2025, and we can see we have the message like it's generated a video, and we have something here. So we just add this. So there is like a slight animation here. That's how the image to video looks like. If you have different images, you can just give like a slight motion to those images. There is not much animation going with that. Now let's look at human talking video. Or we can just select the image, right? Let's select the same image rather than start giving a prompt and creating the actual image. We can use. So we have different, we can record voice, we can import already existing audio file. Yeah, I can just type in here. Let me, it's really hard, right? Because they don't have a male or female categorization.
Hello, my name is Arya. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video avatar.
Don't forget to share and subscribe to Soft Reviewed. Let that be the voice. I hope you got the idea, right? You have different options. You can dub your own voice, you can import audio. For this example, let's say use this to see how good the actual lip syncs look like.
Don't forget to share and subscribe to Soft Review.
Okay, let's see if the lip syncing is any good. So if you want to test this out, I'll have the link in the description where you can try this if you have any video generation needs. So our video is generated, I think. Let's play this.
Don't forget to share and subscribe to Soft Reviewed.
Come on.
Don't forget to share and subscribe to Soft Reviewed.
What is that? Okay, so I have nothing to say about that. It's really bad. Let's try replace background. So I can select her, choose background prompt, background from file. I can prompt it her. A woman standing in front of Eiffel Tower, Paris. Okay. Let's click on extend prompt. So if I click on extend prompt, the actual prompt is gone. Okay. Make her stand in front of Eiffel Tower. Let that be the prompt. Let me see. Okay. I think that's the Eiffel Tower. And yeah, there is like a slight change to her face. This is the original and this is the new. Okay, that's not bad. I can say, like, from what we have seen till then. We have the in painting option, which also I can use the same in for in painting a image, right? So, image or video. Let's select this. A necklace. Yeah, that's not bad. She is having some kind of a jewelry without distorting the actual image. So that's quite nice. That's how you can tweak all this and then create videos. These are all small tools to create a specific video that you want. You have also an outpainting tool. This feature requires an upgrade. You can upgrade your account. So I need to review it. Just like I'm doing this review, then only they will give me this. So if you don't know what outpainting is, outpainting lets you like expand your image, right? So if you have vertical image and if you want to convert that into a 16:9 aspect ratio, then the AI will predict how it will look like and generate those images and it will expand that. So that's what it does, and we don't have access to that. I am on the highest tier. I have purchased the highest version, the $170. And yeah, let's see the object removal. So there is no object. Let's create an image, right? This is object removal from a video, so we can remove objects from videos, right? This is how our video generator will look like. So there is no option to actually upload video directly to this folder. We can only upload video here. Let me just create this video. So we have this image. We can just convert this into a video. Let's just create the video. So that's one other limitation. We cannot export our own video. We can only do this object removal from the video that's only generated using this software. Okay, now as you can see, we have like notification here. That means our video is actually available. So let's just play that once. So that's how this looks, and let's try to remove that cat from that video. Object removal, select video. See, we only have access to this folder and we cannot upload any external video to this folder, so keep that in mind. So we can only play with the videos that we actually generated in this software. So let's just choose this. Let's select this. I have selected the object that needs to be removed from this video, and your video will appear in your media library under the media tab when it's ready. So we should see like a notification like we saw before once this is completed. Okay, now we can see our video is generated. Let's see how it looks. If I just play now, as you can see, now the cat is gone from this video. So that looks good. But still, if we want any changes to an external video that we have, that's not possible. So this will only work with the video that's generated here, which is obviously very restrictive. And object removal, special effects. Let's see, let's select what we can do here. Let's choose this. Let's add, okay, let's see if it can create a video with a car there. So that's how you change in anything in your video. So now the video is ready. Let's look at how it looks like. So as you can see, we have a car there. So if I had a bigger brush size, then the car would have been like much better. Yeah, that also works. Let's look at motion brush. So in order to test this out, we need something like a person in front of a fire or like a waterfall, something that can give us an illusion of constant motion. So that's how this works. So for example, let me go to my AI generated image. I created this image specifically for this example, a woman standing in front of a fire. So if I just click and if I choose this, before creating the video, I need to select what I need to give motion to, right? So I can just give motion to the fire like the fire is actually live. So I can just draw this like this, covering the fire. Now I can just click on create video. So we have our video ready. Then just click on this close and click on show me. Then that will just create this. As you can see, we get like a feel of like she's standing in front of a fire. That's how you give motion to your static images. And what else we have? AI sound maker. So let's give like a prompt, a person walking. You can also adjust the duration of how many seconds, and there is a limit of 7 seconds here. So now if you play this, you can just hear the sound. Yeah, that's the sound that you will get. And if you want to save the sound, just click on save the sound so that it will be available for future use in your library. You can find that in my AI audio. Here is that person walking sound. So these are all small tools that will help you enhance your video. And if I go to my AI videos, you can see I can drag it like this, different videos that we have created, and just combine everything into a single video. Now we can just look at our filters. Here we can also drag and drop this here to our specific scene. Now as you can see, there is like a small setup for this specific effect. As you can see, if I just want to focus on her face when the video starts, then I can just click on this, and if I just play, see, I can focus in on her face just like that. So there I also have changed the speed to, if I want to fast forward this, then if I want to make it 200, see the clips got like smaller, right? So that means the speed is really fast. It is sped up the whole process. As the name suggests, you have that specific setup and you can play with that. So you have different options here. You can also have a green screen. So if you want to remove the background of a specific video frame, then you can change the background just like that. Since this is not a constant color, it works best for like constant colors. For example, like green screen or something, you can do this by changing the to whatever you want, or swap it with any other background that you have. So these are the some of the filters and settings. Now you also have the audio cutter, which is maximum 30 seconds. You can clip any audio, and yeah, it should be like 30 seconds. And if you want the automatic captions, if you click here, you will be taken to a separate website. And if you click on create, as you can see, once you fully rendered a video using Video Express, that will appear here. Then you can just select that or file and start giving it captions. So if, for example, if I just upload an audio or a video file like this is only like, this already have caption. I just want to show you like how the process works. So it will be imported like this, and you can just click on next. You can select the video language as English, and yeah, you can select the aspect ratio. You can add subtitles. You can keep it center, as you can see. If you want, you can animate it word by word. You can animate the active word like this as well. So there you can also change all the colors. You can change the font size, stroke, glow. You can have the glow effect like that. And once you are happy, you can just click on next. And you have also an inline video editor. If you want, you can add like a audio waveform. If you just select when he speaks, you can see that waveform here. You can also add like a countdown like that. As you can see, you can change the color to anything that you want. And yeah, you can also add like a progress bar. If you click and start this, select it, you can add the progress bar just like that. See, the progress color can also be changed to whatever color that you want. So as you can see, you have like different options. You can select the final background and you can click on edit a transcript, then it will transcribe that for you, and you can make any changes to the text that's it already created. If there are any transcription error, you can fix that and finally create that final render that here. So it's like a separate rendering process. That's what I don't like. You have to find first render that video here, then if you want to add captions, then you need to again render it here. It consumes more time, right? In short, as you see, the video quality is really not that great. I will only suggest this if you are really on a tight budget and if you want some sort of an animation. And yeah, this I thought this was like an automatic software where we enter like our script, then it finds all the images animated, but that's not like how it works. This involves really manual process of fine tuning every bit of scenes, and each scene is only like 2 seconds. So you can imagine, right? If you want to create like a 60-second video, then you need to have 30 or 40 scenes in order to do this, and you have to generate every scene by scene. So it will take a lot of time. I have also shown you another software that can create better videos, but that's not a lifetime deal. So that's what you pay for the quality that you get. That's also like $20 per month. If you are paying like me for the software $180, you can use that software for say 9 or 8 months, right, straight. So you can generate much better quality videos. Anyway, I'll have the link in the description here. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe.